the Mrs. Grand Universe 2024 candidates, as well as everyone else here. To Dingin Elementary School, our school pride itself, welcome! Women of the World!
My experience here has been amazing, meeting these lovely children. They gave us so much love, and I was really glad I came here. Thank you.
Ang pagbati ko po sa ating pong mga kandidata ng Woman of the World. Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa Bayan ng Pagsanahan. At siyempre, kung ano pa po ang maitutulong po ng Team Aressa Abella ay bukas po ang aming pong opisina upang kayo po ay ma-accommodate ng napakaganda dito po sa aming pinagmamalaking bayan na Tourist Capital of Laguna.
I would like to tell the principals and the School of Dingin that through Direct Bon Erica, we will support you in staging your stage para magkaroon kayo ng covered call.
It's been amazing looking at those little children with so much joy and happiness. It's been great, and the excitement and meeting the little kids, it's been really amazing.